Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Stremio on Chromecast with Google TV. So if you have a Chromecast Google Media Player with the Google TV system for watching movies and series and you want to know, so let's follow this up. So once Chromecast is plugged in into your TV and you are on the main menu, go to the settings, usually found on the scrolling to the right under your account name as shown in the image here, right? And within settings, go to your system and then go to your about. In the menu, scroll down until you see Android TV OS. Well, you will need to tap on this option several times, more than 7 times, to open the developer option, right? Then the developer option will come up here. Once this developer option is available, go back to the system and you will see a new unlock option, developer option. This means the previous steps was done correctly. Now press home and go to the apps and install send file to TV application. Once the app is installed, you should also install file manager, which can found on a tool under app categories. Now we need to give the necessary permission to send files to the TV. Open the apps and files to TV, go throughout the app usage explanation screen at the end. It will ask for permission to access the files on your Chromecast, which you should obviously accept. The file we send on the app will appear on the SD card or download folder. Install the send file to TV app to your mobile phone. When installed, go to the official Stremio download web page on your phone, which is this one, right? So let me show you up. Now here you can just download for the Android and the Google TV here. Now once you does this, download the Stremio ARM APK file on your mobile phone. Stremio for Android TV section as shown on the image. So here it is, right? Which you can download here, the latest version. So once a Stremio APK file is downloaded on your phone, open this send file to TV's app on your phone. You will see the same message as on your TV in step 5, and again give the necessary permission to access your file, but this time on your mobile phone. For this step to work, it's important to note that both the TV and mobile phone must be on same Wi-Fi network. Once confirmed, do the following. On the TV, open send file to TV app and select the receive option. On your mobile, select the send option. Once the send option is selected, look for the Stremio, this APK file on your phone. Tap on it and your Chromecast device will automatically appear as a destination. To send the file, to tap it and file transfer will start. Once a file is received, go back to settings as in step 1 and go to the privacy setting and restriction unknown sources and allow the file manager app to install file from the unknown sources. Go home and open the file manager app, navigate to the SD card, download Stremio APK and application installation will start. So when installed, you can use a Stremio working on your Chromecast TV and you can use it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.